Alpine R2-S65 review. Are these 6.5-inch speakers too good? Hear why audiophiles are going nuts. You crank the volume, hoping for that spine-tingling oomph, but all you get is flat, fuzzy mush. Your factory car speakers? Total joy killers. They distort at high volume, lack punch, and murder your playlist one muddy note at a time. It's frustrating. You start dreading your drives, zoning out instead of vibing out. You used to love music. Now it just reminds you your system's trash. No bass. No clarity. No chills. Just another dead spot in your daily routine. You're stuck with speakers that can't keep up, and it sucks. Let's be real. Your car deserves better. Your ears? Definitely. The real problem? Missed moments. That perfect drop in your favorite song, gone. The subtle strings in a movie score? Lost. You blast it louder to compensate, and all you get is distortion and disappointment. Your system's bottlenecking your experience. You've already wasted hours tweaking EQs, adjusting faders, maybe even buying a new head unit, but it still sounds flat. It's not you, it's your gear. Your sound system is low-key ruining your ride. Burnout doesn't just happen at work, it happens behind the wheel too. Enter the Alpine R2-S65 6.5-inch R-Series coaxial speakers, your fast lane to actually hearing music again. These high-res certified beasts handle up to 300 watts of peak power, with frequency response up to 40 kHz, yep, that's dog whistle level detail. Featuring a lightweight glass fiber cone, HAMR surround, and magnesium swivel tweeters, they hit crispy highs, meaty mids, and tight lows like a dream. Zero distortion. All punch. Plus, they're easy to install, just pop them in and hear the difference. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a full-blown resurrection of your entire sound system. Whether you're a bass junkie, hi-fi snob, or road trip DJ, Alpine's R2-S65 will make your ride sing again. Here's what makes them legit. High-res audio certified, so you're not just listening, you're experiencing. Glass fiber cones mean minimal distortion, and HAMR tech brings serious bass without losing clarity. The magnesium dome tweeters? Swivel mounted for that chef's kiss imaging, pinpoint vocals, lush instrumentals, true stereo separation. Real users are hyped, no distortion at high volume, tight, accurate low end, crisp sound even with LPF at 110 Hz. Want punch? They deliver. Need volume? They thrive. Prefer clarity? Say less. These aren't just for audiophiles, they're for anyone tired of compromise. Want proof? Reddit threads are loaded with love for these speakers. Thousands have already swapped out their crusty stock setups for the R2-S65, and they're raving. You don't need to be a sound engineer to appreciate clean, rich sound. You just need the right gear. Thousands have made the switch, don't get left behind. Whether you're running stock or rocking an amp, Alpine R2-S65 will transform your sound instantly. But heads up, these speakers move fast. Between audiophiles, bassheads, and weekend warriors, stock is flying. Don't wait for your next blown speaker to force an upgrade. Secure your set now, feel the clarity, ride the boom, and finally hear what you've been missing. Limited supply. Zero regrets. Big vibes. Tap the link, join the upgrade club, and let your car finally sound like it should.